Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hakeemuddin Lohawala and today we are going to see how to take a backup in Sage 300. So let's get started. For this, there are two ways. You can log into Sage 300, go to Administrative Services, Database Dump. You need to have the appropriate rights assigned to you to be able to do this. Select the company from the database list, select the folder where you want to back this up, provide a description if you would like, and click on the dump button. Please note that if there are existing dump files or existing backup files in the same folder, they will be overwritten. So make sure that you're taking a backup in a folder which does not already have a backup there. Once the backup is completed, you will get this message, which means the backup has been taken successfully. Another way of taking a backup is by going to this file, this application which says database dump. Log in with your admin credentials or the credentials who has got access to taking a backup. Select the company, set the directory where the backup needs to be taken and click on the dump button. Based on your system specs and the database size, the backup might take time for your company. Once done, close this and you're ready to go. That's it, simple. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you're planning to implement Sage 300 or an ERP for your company, get in touch with Safety Computers, a company since 2011. You will find the link in the description or you can visit safetycomputers.com for more information. Thank you and have a nice day.